The N-1 rocket, which he had fought so hard to build, suffered from serious design problems. Between 1969 and 1972, all 4 test launches of the N-1 ended in spectacular failures. The rocket never reached orbit. Meanwhile, across the ocean, America's Apollo program was moving forward smoothly. In July 1969, Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin became the first humans to walk on the moon. For the Soviet Union, it was a bitter defeat. Korolev's dream of beating America to the moon died with him. Many historians believe that if Korolev had lived just a few more years, the outcome of the moon race might have been very different. But even in death, Korolev's legacy lived on. The Soyuz spacecraft he helped design became the most reliable crewed spacecraft in history. The techniques and technologies he developed formed the foundation of the Soviet and later Russian space program for decades. His team continued working, but the golden era had ended. The spirit that drove the early Soviet space triumphs, that unbreakable will to reach the stars despite all odds, was never quite the same after January 14, 1966. Korolev's body was buried in the Kremlin Wall necropolis, an honor usually reserved for the highest Soviet leaders. His name finally became known to the world. Today, the man who was once forced to work in secret is remembered as one of the greatest figures in the history of space exploration. But his story was far from over. In the years after his death, the Soviet space program would face new challenges, new tragedies, and new achievements, all built on the foundation that one man had laid through blood, sweat, and unbreakable determination.